Highlander's available hands-free power rear liftgate offers a great way to access the cargo area when your hands are full. Here's how to use it. First, make sure the vehicle is off, or the transmission is in the P position, and that you have your smart key with you. Then simply stand directly behind the center of the vehicle and kick your foot straight forward under the bumper, using one fluid motion. It's important to kick directly toward the vehicle and not at an angle. Additionally, don't hold your foot under the bumper, as that may actually prevent the sensor from activating. This quick kick in and out is all it takes, and should be accompanied by 2 quick beeps. The first is for when the sensor recognizes the foot, while the second beep occurs once the liftgate starts to open. Now, step away from the rear of the vehicle to allow the liftgate to open, keeping in mind that it may take a moment. Finally, the liftgate can be closed by simply performing another kick motion. Please note that if you have a tow hitch installed, it will interfere with the kick sensor functionality, and we recommend turning the sensor off in that case. And that's all there is to it. With Highlander, convenience comes naturally. For more information, visit toyota.com.